CDOM presents the world's most exquisite marine life. 10. The royal starfish. The royal starfish is indigenous to the western Atlantic waters of the Mexican Gulf and the east coast of the United States. This lovely tiny fish has marginal plates that are mild to brilliant orange and range in color from blue to purple. It can weigh up to 5 kilograms and have arms that range in length from 0.8 to 4 inches. The royal starfish consumes mollusks because it is a carnivore by nature. After catching them with its arms, it inserts them into its mouth. The royal starfish consumes its meal whole rather than chewing it like other starfish do. 9. Bobby Felidia. One of the most exquisite marine animals is the sea slug, a species that lacks a shell worldwide referred to as Felidia bobae. This lovely tiny species, which bears the name of the Japanese malacologist Kikitoro Baba, can be found in the waters of South Korea, Australia, Lion Island, and other locations. Its skin is silver, and it is covered in numerous black rings. It also has tentacles that are white with pale yellow grooves. They are innocuous by nature and can grow up to 2.7 inches in length. 8. Lionfish in red. The red lionfish is one of the world's most poisonous coral reef fish. Although it is often found in Indo-Pacific regions, it is currently a major issue in the Caribbean Sea and along the U.S. East Coast. The red lionfish is regarded as invasive, as is another species in its genus. They are the largest lionfish species in the world, reaching up to 18.5 inches in length. All over their body, they have alternating stripes in color pairs such as white-red, white-maroon, and white-brown. 7. Corallusans bergia. The Bergia corallusans is one of the world's most exquisite marine animals, despite its challenging name. The range of this species has generated controversy because of some populations in the Atlantic Ocean, despite the fact that it is primarily found along the central and western coasts of the Mediterranean Sea. It has several blue-colored serrata with yellow tips scattered across its white body. Additionally, there are some orange-colored marks on the forehead. They eat marine anatomy and can grow up to 27.5 inches in length. 6. Starfish with crowns of thorns. One of the most exquisite sea organisms in the world, the crown of thorns starfish is primarily found in the Indo-Pacific waters close to Australia. The vast number of spines covering this giant starfish's body gave rise to its name. These poisonous spines are utilized to both capture its prey and deter predators. It has several arms coated in these lethal spines and is disc-shaped. They typically have 21 arms and range in length from 9.8 to 13.8 inches. 5. Jellyfish in the deep sea. One of the most exquisite sea animals on the list is also one of the most uncommon jellyfish in the world. One of the biggest species of jellyfish in the world is the deep sea jellyfish. It has 4 long oral arms and a huge bell that is around 39 inches in diameter. These arms are roughly 236 inches long each. Unlike other jellyfish of its kind, it has very distinct tentacles that are delicate and thread-like. To push water behind and pass through it, they extend and compress their bell. They consume small fish, eggs, and other jellyfish since they are carnivores. The ribbon eel. The ribbon eel is the sole species in the Rhinomoriana genus and is often referred to as the leaf-nosed moray eel. They are primarily found in Indonesian waters and are extensively dispersed close to the Indo-Pacific Ocean's reefs. Their noses are noticeably enlarged. The species has blue-colored adults with yellow dorsal fins and a wide-open jaw, whereas females have green dorsal fins instead of blue. The juveniles have similar-looking dorsal fins and are black in hue. They typically live for 20 years and range in length from 25 to 37 inches. 3. Fish that fly. The flying fish, originally known as the exocotatai, is ranked 3rd among the world's most attractive marine animals. The flying fish can leap quite high out of the water on their own, even though they are unable to fly. This feature led to the Exocet missile being named after them. Around the world, They can be found in tropical and subtropical waters. Numerous physical characteristics, like as wide neural arches and a robust connection between their cranium and spine, aid in their ability to fly. They range in length from 7 to 12 inches, and occasionally they can grow up to 18 inches. 2. Barnacles from goose. The goose barnacle, sometimes referred to as the stalked barnacle, is the second most attractive sea creature on the list. Around the planet, they are discovered affixed to underwater hard surfaces such as rocks and flotsam. They can cling to any solid surface in the water and range in length from 2.5 to 19 inches. They use their legs to collect plankton and debris from the water, which they then eat. They may not be the most talked about species, but they are among the most exquisite animals on the planet. Check out our other incredible videos on our channel before we reveal number 1. And if you liked this one so far, please like it. Additionally, let us know in the comments which of them you think is the most lovely. 1. Worm in Christmas trees. The most exquisite sea creature on the list is the Christmas tree worm, which is found in tropical oceans worldwide. They are typically found in tropical regions and can be found in oceans from the Caribbean to the Indo-Pacific. The crowns on the head of this adorable little worm resemble Christmas trees. Because of their spiral plumes, these crowns resemble small trees with fins. These plumes are available in a variety of color variations, including red, orange, yellow, white, and pink. These plumes are not only employed to enhance their appearance, but also for feeding,